Students, nature, scope, meaning of zoology. Biology, students. What about the biology? Biology, it is the study of the living organisms such as plants, animals and microorganisms. Okay, biology, one of the branch in the biology, that is animal science. Zoology is also called animal science. Okay, biology divides into three branches mainly. One is botany, zoology and the microbiology. In this, zoology, also called animal science, it is the part of the bioscience, okay, and deals with the study of the animals, which starts from the sponges to the mammals. Okay, which are the first animals? First animals are the sponges. Sponges includes in the phylum of the Porifera. Phylum Porifera, animal kingdom that shows the different phylums. Each one of the phylum consists some amount of the animals. In the phylum Porifera, having the animals called sponges. These are the aquatic animals, water living animals, lives in fresh water or marine water. Up to the mammals, sponges to the mammals. Mammals includes in the class Mammalia. Okay, students, human beings also animals present in the class Mammalia. Students, zoology as application, the amount of the science, amount of the knowledge present in the subject to zoology, that is application into other branches such as eugenics, biotechnology, bioenergetics, bioinformatics. In this, eugenics, first one, what is the meaning of the eugenics? Students, science improving phenotypic characters to humans after the birth. Students, in human beings, improve the phenotypic characters, morphological characters. Okay, for improving of the morphological characters after the birth. Okay, that is science which helps to improving phenotypic characters to the human beings after the birth of the individual. Next, it is also helps in treatment of the genetical disorders in human beings. Different types of the genetical disorders are there. Okay, these are the disorders are inherited from the parents to the offsprings, like color blindness and the hemophilia and others. Okay, color blindness, what is it? Is the one of the genetical disorders. Okay, inability to identify certain colors, that is color blindness. Hemophilia, inability to clot the blood after the injury, that is hemophilia. These are some amount of the genetical disorders. Next, eugenics, it is practices and helps to improve genetic quality of human population. Okay, student, improve the DNA quality, improve the gene quality, improve the chromosome quality in the cells of the human beings. Okay, that is called eugenics. Biotechnology, that is one of the subject, and for genetic manipulation of microorganisms. Student, what is the genetic manipulation? To increase the number of the genes in bacteria. Students, these are the genes helps in the production of the useful phenotypic character, useful functioning character for the human beings. Okay, these are the microorganisms are produces with the desirable genes, wanted genes, which is helpful for human beings. Genetic manipulation of the microorganisms for production of antibiotics and hormones. These are the microorganisms with the desirable genes, wanted genes, functioning genes, helpful in production of antibiotics, helps in production of the antibiotics. These are the antibiotics kills the microorganisms which is causes diseases in the human beings. And hormones, these hormones are not produced in the human beings. Okay, these are the hormones are produced in the microorganisms. And these are the chemicals or the hormones in little quantity and produces by the microorganisms and introduced into the human beings in the form of the injection to cure the such type of the diseases. Next, bioenergetics. Bioenergetics, that means transformation of the energy from one living organism to the another, between the living organisms. Energy present in the form in living organisms, energy is available in living organisms in the form of the storage of the food, that is transformed into another living organisms. Study about this called bioenergetics. And bioinformatics, use of computers for management and analysis of bioinformation. Student, collecting data by the computers, okay, given information about the management, analysis, number of the living organisms, that is about the bioinformatics. By using of the computers for management, analysis of the information about living organisms, data collection, data analysis. To study about the data collection, data analysis of the living organisms by using computers. Next, students, zoology or the animal science, okay, applied into another branches to improve the another subjects. Animal science, applied science, student, it has scope in agriculture. It has tremendous scope, better scope in agriculture. Amount of the knowledge is applied to another branches. Better scope in another branches such as agriculture. Okay, aquaculture. Aquaculture means rearing of the water animals, aquatic animals for food, producing food. Next, human health. Next, students, animal husbandry. Okay, animal husbandry, that means rearing of the farm animals. Okay, rearing of the farm animals, that is called animal husbandry. Next, diseases, veterinary science. It is the branch of the science deals about the prevention, treatment, diagnosis, okay, diseases of the living animals. Okay, students. Next, apiculture, culture of the honeybees, rearing of the honeybees. Next, sericulture, rearing of the silkworms for the production of the silk. Sericulture, that is pharmacology. It is the branch of the science for the production of the drugs or the medicines, which shows the action, exert action on the cells or tissues, organ systems of the living organisms. Next, animal breeding. Breeding means a sexual reproduction between the living animals. Animal breeding, okay.